Christmas tips for parents. The best tips for making sure your Christmas is stress-free. The John Lewis, mulled wine, Michael Bublé, and the aroma of the latest latte. But as December rolls on, it can turn from the most wonderful to the most stressful time of the year. Pressure mounts up trying to be Instagram perfect, and you're feeling inadequate when your timeline is full of alpha playground moms with their handmade Christmas decks, Mary Berry PUDs, and declarations of presents all bought and wrapped in September. In contrast, you've crawled up to the finishing line, roots showing, squeezed into your Spanx, and feeling more frazzled than your turkey. So if you're pondering ways to cut stress, save money, and tame over-the-top traditions, setting simplicity strategies in place early will keep you from being swept up in the festive madness. So chill out, grab a coffee, and watch our top 11 tips for surviving the family Christmas madness. Top 11 Christmas tips for parents this festive season. Number 1. Focus on what's most important. No time to write Christmas cards and feeling anxious every time one drops on the mat? Ask yourself which are the 10 most important ones. Maybe your great-aunt who has not managed to master email. Try sending messages on social media or announcing a donation to charity. Without a doubt, your friends will be grateful you're soothing their own guilt. Number 2. Drop high-stress rituals. The panto, school concert, elf on the shelf, grottos, carol singing, Santa train, Christmas Eve box, Santa letter, homemade advent calendar. Do you feel frazzled at just the thought of them? If you've overplanned but struggling to deliver, make a switch. True, families thrive on traditions, but it's less about the event itself, which your kids may have outgrown, and more about time together. Drop expensive, high-stress rituals in favor of something simple. Or just the ones they really love. Number 3. Be satisfied with good enough. Ask, if I don't do this, what will happen? Don't always go for bigger and better. Does the tree have to be hand-picked from an enchanted forest? Will it ruin Christmas Day if you haven't got 7 types of veg? Think back to the most magical memories you had as a child, and they will likely be based on more simple rituals. Number 4. Remember to have fun. Give yourself permission to reclaim a bit of festive fun and let go a little. At the same time as you're planning your party dress, don't forget to book your childcare. Booking a babysitter an hour earlier than you need to be out the door gives the kids time to settle and your time to get ready without someone calling mom. You can even book a babysitter for the morning after the night before and recover in peace, bliss. Number 5. Love your lists. Getting things down on paper can really help you stay sane in the silly season. With everything on your plate, it's easy to buy a gift twice or miss someone off your list. Even planning meals on paper can prevent you from buying enough food to last you till Easter. Number 6. Delegate. You can't do everything, so divide chores between your family. And if you have visitors, they can help share the burden too. You can even delegate childcare to a babysitter so you have time to get those roots or nails done, or just get the house or presents organized. Number 7. Hold on to everyday routines. If the kids need downtime or you like to read for half an hour before bed, don't give that up in favor of yet another Christmas chore. If escaping on a date night with your husband keeps you sane, keep it that way. Our everyday practices help calm and center us. Number 8. Cut the gift list. Rein in gift exchanges that have been outgrown or lost their meaning. Limit gifts to children only or organize a secret Santa for the wider family or friendship groups. Shop on the web and tie in with friends on 3 for 2s. If you want to hit the high street, book childcare so you can enjoy browsing and lunch without the whinging. Number 9. Limit travel if you can. No one likes long car journeys. If you have to see both your and your partner's families and a plethora of relatives to boot, why not arrange to see one set a few weeks before/after Christmas? It's really difficult for children to maintain first-rate behavior when doing the rounds of friends and relatives, and not everyone remembers what it's like to have young children. Number 10. Don't be afraid to say no. Relax by looking at what you can and can't do. Instead of having pre-Christmas drinks with every group of friends and work colleagues, how about pushing some back to the new year? This gives you a little pick-me-up when the Christmas cheer has faded. Number 11. Make sure your fridge is working. You'll need a nice cold glass of wine when it's all over, and you'll finally be able to collapse on the sofa in front of Netflix in peace. Comment us to improve Setflix channel. Please take a quick moment to subscribe to the channel and remember to click on the bell icon so you stop missing out on awesome free giveaways. How could this information be more helpful? Please leave a comment. How did this information help you? You're the best. Thank you for watching this video along with useful feedback. Have a wonderful day.